Burna Boy is supposed to be an actor. No, nigga. I never told you guys I was any activist, bro. I don't know where you even got that shit from. Like, like, you feel me? I don't know where you got that shit from, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm just a nigga that sees this shit and is just fucking heartbroken by it, bro. And heartbroken by how helpless the situation is, bro. Because it's like, bro, I can't do it alone. You understand? And it's like, bro, like I've studied my heroes, bro. Like, for real. And one thing that they all have in common is they all died before they died, bro. They all died before they died. Every single one of my heroes died before they died. And I'll explain that to you, bro. It's like, which one of my heroes? Should I say Gaddafi? Should I say Fela? Let me start with Fela, because you guys know Fela. If I use any other person, you might not really know their full history. You know what I mean? So let's use Fela. From my studies and what I've heard and understand, because I wasn't there. I wasn't even born. You know, but from the people who were there and, you know, the conversations I've had, from what I've gathered, bro, Fela didn't die when everybody saw his dead body or when he... Nah, bro. Fela died the day the army stormed his house. Yeah. And threw his mom out the window. Yeah. And he seen a crowd of... I won't even put a number to the crowd of people he saw that were outside, but the largest crowd of people, right? Who he felt were his people. You understand? And he got a little bit of confidence from that and started screaming more and, you know, getting more energy from that during the situation. And he saw all of them literally go back to a safe distance and watch it happen. I feel like that shit broke his heart more than... And I feel like that shit killed him more than his even death, bro. You understand? So it's like, these are the things I've studied, and this is the parts of my heroes I don't really want to be, bro. You understand? And this is why it's times it may appear as if I'm like torn between fucking ready to die for you, for everybody, and fuck everybody. Do you understand? It's real, and this is the same shit that's, you know, the same situation with each and every one of my heroes, bro. So it's like, where do you think that leaves me mentally? You know? And the worst part of the shit is I've experienced a little portion of that myself. And I call it a little portion because I can never put my feet in the shoes of my heroes. You understand? But fucking hell, man.